Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Quit every CPU-hungry app and stop background sync so the processor unloads. Check that the Macbook sits on a hard surface with at least 1-2 cm clearance to let air flow. Soft surfaces trap heat. Update Mac OS and your apps because software fixes reduce runaway CPU use. Once done, check Activity Monitor for top CPU processes and quit or restart them. This immediate triage drops temperature fast and prevents thermal throttling. Now you manage the heavy lifting. Open Activity Monitor and sort by CPU to identify offenders. Quit or relaunch processes using more than about 10% CPU so the chip can cool. Reduce screen brightness and turn off visual effects because GPU work produces heat. Make sure you have at least 15% free disk space to avoid swapping, which spikes CPU and I/O. If you're doing long tasks, use a cooling stand or fan control app to allow higher fan curves while the job runs. To finish, perform preventive maintenance. Power down and gently clean vents with compressed air to remove dust because clogged fans reduce cooling efficiency. If your MacBook is old and still overheating, consider thermal paste replacement or professional service since degraded paste raises temperatures over time. Make sure to use a laptop stand and avoid heavy loads on battery when charging. If temperatures remain high after these steps, run Apple Diagnostics and, if necessary, schedule a repair appointment because persistent heat often signals hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.